Right. Hi guys. Yeah. So in the previous session we have discussed about the what we have discussed about the operators. Okay. So operators are very important. Okay. So just like admit that those are very important. Why? Because you use the operators in the pseudocodes. The main thing. Okay. So in any assessment, in any exam, in any company's assessment, there will be pseudocodes in the assessment. Okay. In the technical, in the IT side, okay, there will be pseudocodes. Those are nothing but coding type of questions. Okay, so if you guys missed that session, we have the recorded session in the YouTube channel. Okay, so please visit that. And if you guys want to check like where we get these videos and all, so what is the YouTube ID and all, so I will tell you now. So before that, operators are very important. Okay, and admit the same thing, the control statements. Okay, what is statements, bro? What is control statements? And there will be some type of statements, guys. Okay, in the Java programming and in any high level programming language, statements are there. Okay, so what is statements and what are the types of statements? So we will discuss that in a while. So to check the videos, hmm, go to YouTube. We have all the job guidance sessions in the YouTube channel, in our YouTube channel. Okay, so search for the website makers, website the website makers. So this is our channel and this is the logo. Okay, this is the logo and this is our channel, the website makers. Click on it and you will get the separate playlist and the videos. Okay, so we have so many videos like how to solve the pseudocodes and how to answer the figure sequences. If you guys missed those videos, please visit and come back to us. Okay, come back with your good feedback or else any feedback. And we have more sessions on like designing, on DevOps. Okay, on placements. Right. Okay, and yeah, let me share the link, YouTube channel link. And do subscribe to his channel. So I won't ask again and again, just subscribe to his channel. Okay, simple. Here it is the link. Yeah. So coming to today's session. Okay, so we are discussing about, in today's session, the statements. Okay, so coming to the statements in any programming language. Okay, there will be statements. Okay, so what are statements, bro? And what are the types of statements? You may have the question, right? సో స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అంటే ఏంటి అనేది మీకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది. స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అంటే ఏంటి కాదు, అన్ని ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్, మీరు సి లాంగ్వేజ్ తీసుకున్న, సి ప్లస్ ప్లస్ అయినా, పైథాన్ అయినా, జావా అయినప్పటికీ, ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ అయినా, హై లెవెల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అయినప్పటికీ మీకు స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్స్, బ్రో? ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ స్టేట్మెంట్? లైక్, సో ద లైన్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ విచ్ ఎండ్స్ విత్ సెమికోలన్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, రైట్? The line of code which ends with semicolon, that is statement. So which has some functionality at the same time. That line of code has the functionality at the same time, right? Yeah, so absolutely. So there is some functions, there is some methods. Okay, so those methods, those functions has the functionality in the program. Yeah, same thing. Statement has the same thing. But these statements, okay, we have some three types: selection statements, iteration statements, jump statements. Okay, these three statements has the functionality which is irreplaceable. These are the most important statements ever you can find in any programming language. Okay, so మనకి త్రీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. జంప్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది, ఇటరేషన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ and selection statements. So these are very important statements in any programming language. Okay, so you may guys hear about if if else, if switch, nested if, right? You may have heard these statements. Okay, and you may have heard for loop, while loop, do while loops. Okay, and these are condition statements. Okay, this if else, switch, these are condition statements, right? And these are looping statements. iteration, nothing but iteration. These are looping statements. While, do while, for loop. These are very important. Okay, and you might have heard these jump statements as well. Okay, these are special. These are special statements. Break, continue, return. Okay, so all these statements have some functionality. Okay, these are like methods only. Okay, these are like methods, the predefined methods. Okay, this if has some functionality, it is kind of method, it has some functionality, it is kind of function, but these are predefined, and you can modify the statements in that method. Okay, so I will tell you exactly what will happen and how to do these things. హ్మ్. నీకు ఏం జరుగుతుందని నేను చెప్తాను. ఇవి కూడా ఒక ఫంక్షన్స్ కింద ఉంటాయి. కానీ ఆల్రెడీ తయారు చేసేసిన ఫంక్షన్స్‌లా ఉంటాయి. లోపల మీరు స్టేట్మెంట్స్ రాస్తారు ఈ ఫంక్షన్స్‌కొచ్చేసరికి. ఈ మెథడ్స్‌కొచ్చేసరికి. ఓకేనా? So, can we start with selection statements? Can we start with selection statements? Right. So, you got an idea, right? You got an idea, right? Don't go with blank mind. Just like follow. You got an idea, right? Did you get it or not? Like, what are statements, bro? And what are the types we have? What are the types we have? Selection statements, iteration statements, jump statements. Okay. And also we call them as looping statements, condition statements, special statements. Okay. Like no one will ask you like that. Just if anyone asks you like what are the iteration statements we have, what are the looping statements we have, just by heart and tell them. Simple. సో, ఎవరు మిమ్మల్ని అలా అడగరు. ఏమేమో స్టేట్‌మెంట్స్ టైప్స్ ఏమున్నాయని చెప్పి అడగరు గానీ, ఆ పేరైతే అడుగుతారు. బ్రో ఇఫ్ ఎలా చేయాలి? బ్రో ఫర్ లూప్ ఎలా రాయాలి? అలా అడుగుతారు. ఓకే. సో, అటువంటి సిట్యుయేషన్‌లో మీరు రాయాల్సొస్తది. ఓకే. లెట్ మీ టర్న్ ఆఫ్ మై కెమెరా. యాహ్! ఓకే పవన్. యాహ్! సో, కమింగ్ టు ద selection statements. Okay, so selection statements. So what is selection statements, bro? Okay, these selection statements are nothing but control flow programs execution. Okay, these selection statements provides the flow of control of a program. Okay, nothing but let me take my notepad. Yeah, so you will control the selection statements. So nothing but condition statements. I call it as a condition statement. Okay. Who's that? Yeah. So the flow of program. So you can control the flow of program will be controlled. It is my own statement. Okay. It is my own definition. Okay. Will be controlled by the selection statements. So it will tell these selection statements will tell which part of the program to get executed. So what is this, bro? What is this a big definition, bro? You may have the question, bro. Okay. So you have a program, guys, a small program you have, and you can control which statement to execute, which statement to not execute. Simple. You can select which statement to execute, which statement not to execute. Did you get it or not? These selection statements will help you to execute which statement to execute or which statement to not execute. Simple. ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేవి ఎందుకు అంటే సెలక్షన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అనేవి ఎందుకు అంటే మీరు రాసిన ప్రోగ్రాంలో సో ఏ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఒక పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఏ పార్ట్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి, ఏ పార్ట్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వకూడదు అని చేయడానికి యూజ్ అవుతాయి ఈ సెలక్షన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. ఓకే. సో యూ మైట్ హ్యావ్ ద డౌట్ నా. ఓకే. uh, yeah, we start with if statement. Okay, a statement if statement. So you will get to know. So what I'm telling, you will get to know. If is the first one, right? If statement. So there is a syntax, guys. Actually, before going through the definition, okay, there is a syntax for every statement. Every these, like we have three statements, right? Selection, jump, iteration, right? So every statement has some syntax. What is syntax, bro? Means the way of The skeleton way of the that method, the statement. Okay, so if statement has this thing. Okay, so you have to mention this keyword. This is a keyword. Okay, this is a reserved keyword. If you have to use that same exactly. Okay, if, and here you have to mention the condition. Who's that latecomer? Just follow the skeleton that you have to mention exactly like that. ఎట్లా అయితే ఉందో మీరు అలాగే మెన్షన్ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో హియర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మెన్షన్ ద కండిషన్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ కండిషన్ బ్రో? Like we have used some conditions, right? The relational operators like a greater than b. This is a condition, right? This is a condition, the relational operator we have used, right? So like this condition we will give here. This kind of conditions we will written here in this place. Okay, and we have to open the like sometimes we have to open the braces. Okay, sometimes we have to open the braces. So yeah, the braces is open now. So here you will not like this. Mm-mm-mm. So this is the syntax of if statement. Okay, what you have written, bro? What is this, bro? You may have the question. Let me explain. So it is kind of method only. It has some functionality. Okay, okay. So you have to mention the keyword if. Definitely. In this place, you have to mention the condition in the braces. In the bracket now, you have to mention the condition like A greater than B, like that. Then after you have to open the braces, the flower brackets you can call, okay, brackets. And here in this place, you have to mention the statements are written. Anything, the system dot out dot println, anything you have to written here in this place, in this brackets. This is the syntax of if statement. Just follow that. Okay. So coming to the definition. Okay, so the statements state sorry about my spelling mistakes. Okay, the statements in the phrases will get executed when the condition is true. Simple definition. Okay, so what is the definition, bro? What is the definition? The statements in the braces will get executed when the condition is true. What does it mean? Okay, so if this condition, the condition that you have mentioned here, right, you will mention this condition, right, in the braces, in the brackets, a greater than b, you will mention in this place in the brackets a greater than b. If that condition is true now, the condition is true, these statements, the system dot out dot println, the statements you mentioned in the brackets, okay, those will be executed. Okay, that is the basic functional, that is the basic definition of this if statement. What if the condition becomes false? Okay, there is two types, right? The boolean operator, there is two types, true or false, right? So if the condition becomes false, a is not greater than b. If the condition becomes false now, these statements won't get executed. The system.out.println won't work. The statements in these braces won't work. డిడ్ యూ గెట్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్? మళ్ళా చెప్తాను, ఏమీ లేదు. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఒక కండిషన్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తారు కదా, మీరు అక్కడికి మెన్షన్ చేసిన కండిషన్ అనేది ట్రూ అయ్యింది అనుకోండి. ట్రూ అయితే ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయో ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో అవి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి. అక్కడ మీరు ఏది రాస్తే అది, ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ రాస్తే ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్, స్కాన్ ఆఫ్ రాస్తే స్కాన్ ఆఫ్, సిస్టమ్ డాట్ అవుట్ డాట్ రాస్తే ఏది రాస్తే అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయితే బ్రో, కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ కూడా ఉంటాయి కదా, అప్పుడు ఇది ఏమీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వదు. మొత్తం ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో ఉన్నది ఏది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వదు. అది ఇఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యొక్క ఉపయోగం. ఓకే, సో కెన్ వి రైట్ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్? యా గైస్, డిడ్ యూ గెట్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్? Did you get it or not? The main use of this if statement. If you get it now, give a thumbs up. So we will go through the practical now, the hands-on now. Okay, what is hands-on, bro? What is hands-on? Nothing but doing the program. That is called hands-on. If you get the if statement, did you get it or not? If you get it, I will go through the hands-on now, or else I won't go. Everyone has to give the response. We have 12 participants or 11 participants. Everyone has to give the response. So I will open the hands-on now. We will do a small program, or else I won't do. Right. So we got some good responses. I think you got the idea. So open Eclipse. Open Eclipse, or open any command, any compiler. You can open any compiler. What is compiler, bro? The program you are writing, right? You are writing a program, right? So to compile that program, to execute that program, okay, the program you have written, right, which is good or false, which doesn't has errors or not, the compiler will check that. That is called compilation. The execution is called compilation. So it will check if there are any errors or not. Simple. That is called compilation. The thing which is doing now, that is called compiler. And there is a kind of thing called interpreter also. Interpreter. So what does interpreter do? It will do the line by line compilation. Okay, but the compiler do the whole execution. కంపైలర్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే మొత్తానికి చేసేస్తుంది ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ అనేది. ఓకే, కానీ ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్ అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది అనమాట, అది లైన్ బై లైన్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, యా, లైక్ ఫర్గట్ అబౌట్ దట్ వన్. ఓకే, సో కమింగ్ టు దిస్ వన్. Mm, yeah. So like I have taken a class. You guys know how to take the class and all, and I have written the main method I have taken. So here, so let me define some integers. How to define the integers? Int a comma b semicolon. Yeah, I have defined some like integers. These are called integers, right? Right. So and I want to give this value to the a now. I want to give the value to the a now. A variable. Okay. So I want to give some 10 semicolon. Like this is the way, right? This is the way we assign the value, right? Using the assignment operator, we will assign the value. This is the assignment operator. We are assigning the value. Simple. So for the b, I want to give 20. So why you are giving the integer values, bro? Because the data type I have taken is integer. నేను ఎందుకు ఇంటీజర్ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తున్నా అంటే ఇంటీజర్ డేటా టైప్ తీసుకున్నా కాబట్టి సింపుల్. అండ్ coming to the if now. Coming to the if, what is the syntax? What is the syntax? If syntax. What is the syntax? అరే పోయింది. Oh, okay. So you have to take if, the keyword you have to take. Okay, if. So in that you have to open the braces. Open the braces. In the braces now, in the open braces now, you have to give the condition. So I want to give the condition a greater than b. Let me give a less than b. Okay, this is my condition. Okay, this is my condition. A less than b. So then after enter, open the braces. This is called open braces. Okay, the open flower bracket you can call. And this is the closure flower bracket. Okay, closure braces. Okay, so in this braces you have to return the statements. What are the statement? I want to give some system dot out dot println. System dot out dot. Why we need this system dot out dot println? What it is? It's a output statement. To get the output, we have to return this one. So in the double quotes, I want to give mm, state statement got executed. So I want to print the a value now. A value. Simple. Now I don't want to give anything now. So enter semicolon. Okay, semicolon. Just check now. There is no errors, right? There is no errors. At the same time, this is the syntax, right? Open braces, close braces. And here we write the system, sorry, statements. You can write any kind of statements. Number of statements you can write. మీరు ఎన్నైనా స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఇక్కడ రాయొచ్చు. మనకి సింటాక్స్ అయితే ఇదన్నమాట. ఇఫ్కి వచ్చేసరికి సింపుల్. ఇక్కడ మన కండిషన్ ఇస్తాం, కండిషన్, and you have to use the keyword if, and you can write the statements here. Open braces, close braces. Okay, simple. Let me run now. Yeah, statement got executed, right? So this is the output. Statement got executed. That is the output. So how we got the output, bro? Yeah, there is no errors and it is written the statement got executed. Okay, so it will check the condition first. The if statement, huh, it will check the condition first. What is the condition? A less than B. Okay, check check 10 less than 20 na. Yes, 10 is less than 20, right? 10 is less than 20. Okay, it will check the A less than B or not. Yeah, 10 is less than 20. It is true. If the condition becomes true, if the condition becomes true, then only these statements will get executed. That is the concept, right? ఎప్పుడైతే అక్కడ ఇచ్చిన మన కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయ్యిందో అప్పుడే ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అనేవి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి. లోపల ఉన్న స్టేట్మెంట్స్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్, ఎన్నైనా స్టేట్మెంట్స్ రాసుకోవచ్చు, అవుతాయి. అర్థమైంది కదా? అర్థమైందా? ఇఫ్ ద కండిషన్ బికమ్స్ ఫాల్స్, సో లెట్ మీ రైట్ హియర్. సో ఏ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ బి, ఏ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ బి. సో 10 10 గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 20 నా, 10 గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 20 నా, నో, ఫాల్స్, రైట్? యా, ఫాల్స్. If the condition becomes false, what will happen? Let me see. There is no output. Can you see? I have executed, right? I have executed the run statement. I have executed the run statement. But there is no output. Can you see? Because this statement, the statement I have written, right, it won't get executed when the condition becomes false. కండిషన్ అనేది ఫాల్స్ అయ్యింది అనుకోండి, అక్కడ ఈ లోపల స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వవు. సో అందుకే నాకు ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ రాలే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసినా సరే. డిడ్ యూ గెట్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్? ద ఇఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, దట్స్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ ద ఇఫ్. Did you get it or not, guys? If you got the if statement, give a thumbs up. Okay, okay, Kishore. You may think that, bro, we know if and else, bro. What you are telling, bro? But there is some people, there is some student guys. They don't know about if. Okay, okay. Just rewind. Okay, some people doesn't know about if and else. Okay, if you get na, give a thumbs up. If you didn't get, give a thumbs down. I will tell again. I have lots of patience. మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చెప్తా, మీకు అర్థం కాబట్టి థమ్స్ డౌన్ ఇవ్వండి, ఏం కాదు. యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ వన్? ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్. ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్, బ్రో? వాట్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్? నథింగ్. ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి, బ్రో? ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్, సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్, బ్రో? Same. This if only will be written here. ఇఫ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ ఇఫ్ని ఇక్కడ రాస్తాము. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సింటాక్స్? లెట్ మీ రైట్ ద సింటాక్స్ ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, సో ద ఇఫ్ ఓన్లీ విల్ బి రిటర్న్ హియర్. నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేమ్ లైక్ ఇఫ్. ఓకే, బట్ something will be added. That is nothing but else. Okay, so open braces. So this is the syntax for if else. So what it is, bro? What is going on exactly? Okay, so if else is nothing like that, nothing but if only, Okay, but else has been written. Okay, what is else, bro? Okay, so I told you, right, If the condition becomes false, if the condition becomes false, these statements won't execute, right? In the if statement, these statements won't get executed. Okay. In the if else statement, if the condition becomes false, these statements will get executed. The statements in the else block, okay, the statements in the else block will get executed. If the condition becomes false, the else block statements will get executed. Simple, right? Let me write the definition so you will get more idea. Definition, yeah. If the condition becomes true, true, the if statements, the if block, I have to tell block. Okay, what is block is nothing but these things. Block is nothing but these things. Okay, if block will get executed. Simple. That is if statement only. Okay, but but if the statements, or if the condition becomes false, the else block will get executed. The else block statements will get executed. So what is going on, bro? Exactly what it is going on. Okay, simple. If the condition is true, these statements will get executed. If the condition is false, now these statements will get executed. Bro, what about these statements? These statements won't get executed. If the condition false, these statements won't get executed. If the condition is false, these things will get executed. Simple. Simple, right? ఏమనట్లేదు నేను. డెఫినిషన్ అంటే ఏమీ కాదు. ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ మనం ఇచ్చాం కదా ఒక కండిషను. ఆ కండిషన్ అనేది ట్రూ అయ్యింది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడున్న స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే బ్రో. కండిషన్ అనేది ఫాల్స్ అయితే ఇక్కడున్న స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఇక్కడున్న స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఏదైతే ఉంటాయో ఎల్స్ బ్లాక్‌లో ఉన్న ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి. కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయితే. ఓకే. సో, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఇఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్? There is difference, right? There is some difference between if statement and if else statement. Okay, did you get it or not? Did you get it theoretically or not? మీకు థియరిటికల్గా అర్థమైతే థమ్స్ అప్ ఇవ్వండి. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ డజంట్ గెట్ నా, మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే గివ్ ఏ థమ్స్ డౌన్. సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ త్రూ ద హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ నౌ. ఓకే హనీ, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ద హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ నౌ. ఇఫ్ యూ డిడెంట్ గెట్ నా, గివ్ ఏ థమ్స్ డౌన్. Simple. So why you are asking these thumbs ups and all, bro? Because I want the session more interactive, guys. Thank you. Yeah. So coming to the same thing. So if the condition like a less than b, right? A less than b, 10 less than 20. Yes, it is true. Run kar dunga. If I run the program, so I got the output right. Okay. So if I return false, if this condition, if the condition is becomes false, a greater than b, no false, a is not greater than b, run कर दूंगा, run करता हूँ. So there is no output now. There is no output. Can you see? There is no output. Okay. In this situation, I want to write the else now. Else. Okay. So this is the keyword we have to use. This is the reserved keyword. Okay, you have to use this keyword, ELSC. That is called else. Okay, so open braces, closed braces. So in this one, I will write the statements. I will return my statements. So I want to return some statements like this one. So else if. Okay. So this is the way you have to write the else one. Else you have to write in this way. So this one called if else block. If else statement. Okay. So let me, yeah. So the condition a less than b. Yes, a is less than b. Let me run. Okay. What is the output we got? So the condition is true now. A is less than B. The condition is true now. So which statement got executed? If statement got executed only, not else. This line is not executed. This line is not executed because the condition is true. So these statements only executed. The statements in this block is only executed. Yes. Okay. So Let me change the condition. So A is greater than B. The condition is false, right? The condition is false. 10 is greater than B. The condition is false now. Let me run. Can you see? Can you see the output now? Else statement got executed. So what happened exactly? So the condition is false now. So these statements won't get executed. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అనేవి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వవు కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయ్యింది కాబట్టి. Okay. So when the condition is false, these statements will get executed. That is else block. These statements will get executed when the condition is false. That is else block. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అనేవి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి ఎప్పుడైతే కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయినాదో. So the yeah, that's the program. Simple program I have written. Did you get it? అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా? Did you get it or not? If you get it, then give it thumbs up. అర్థమైతే thumbs up ఇవ్వండి లేదంటే లేదు. That's all about the if else statement. So the session is recorded at any time. You can go through like if statement, if else statement. You can go through it. Okay. So we got only three responses, guys. Please give some response. It's a simple program, right? మీకు అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా? Okay. Okay. And there is something called if else if. Okay, oh bro, it's too big, right? Nothing, it is a small one only. If else if third one is the if else else. So if you guys get if statement, if else statements, if you got the idea about if else statement, you can write in any way. This if else if is also same. If else if is also same. Okay. So here in this else block now, here only in the block only you will write the if now. In the block only you will write the if, the condition you will write. So what you are doing, bro? Let me tell you. I will tell you. Okay. So what I have written? What I have written? What is the operator name? What is the operator name? What is the operator that I have used here? What is the operator that I have used here? You have to tell now. What is the operator that I have used now? What is the name? What is the functionality? What is the operator? And it is a relational operator. I'm telling. It is a relational operator. What is the functionality? What is the functionality of that operator? See the one. You have to mention the condition by using the operators only. The expression will be constructed using the operators only. So what is the operator that I have used and what is the need? What is the use of those operator? Assignment operator, no. Pawan, no. Assignment operator is this one. Only one symbol will be there. That is called assignment operator. Okay. So the user of assignment operator is to assign the value of left side thing to right side. Sorry, రైట్ సైడ్ థింగ్ టు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. అది అసైన్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ కాదు, అది ఈక్వల్ టు ఆపరేటర్. దట్స్ వై యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ టూ సింబల్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆపరేటర్. డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్. యా, దట్స్ వై. అందుకే మీకు క్వశ్చన్ వేసినాను, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆపరేటర్. If only one symbol is there na, it will make an error. Can you see the error? It is a error now because one symbol only I have written. Error. Two symbols you have to use. Let me run this one now. Okay, what happened, bro? So I have written a if statement. I have written a if statement in the else block. Can you see? This is the else block, right? This is the else block. The open braces. This is the closed braces of else block. In the else block only, I have written a if statement. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, exactly. Yes, we can do that. In the else block only, inside the else block, I have written the if I have written. So that's why I got two answers now. So else block is executed, else block is executed, and the if else block is also executed. Sorry, else if block is also executed. Else if block is also executed. So the condition that I have written a equal to 10. So a value is equal to 10, right? This is called assignment. This is called assignment. This is called equal to. So I have checked the condition. So a value is equal to 10 or not. Yes, the condition is true. That's why the statement got executed. So in the in the if block only you can write in the if block only. You can write any statement. Okay, I can write if. So I will write if again now. Okay. So what I have done. Okay, what I have done. So in the if block only, I have written a if. Another if I have written in the if block only. So I can return the I can write the else block also here. Any block I can write. So if you got the idea about if and else, you can write anything. In the else block, in the inside the else block, I have written if. Yeah. So I can return else also. I can return a number of if statements I want. Yeah, I can do that. Simple. So if this condition got executed, this condition is true, this block will also be checked. Okay. If this condition is false now, this one won't execute. This one won't execute. That is కాన్సెప్ట్. కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఏదైతే కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయిందో అప్పుడు ఇది కూడా చెక్ చేస్తుంది. ఇది ట్రూవా కాదా అనేది చెకింగ్ అనేది జరుగుద్ది. ఓకే. ఇది ట్రూ అవ్వలేదు అనుకోండి, ఇది చెక్కింగ్ కూడా ఉండదు. అసలు చెక్ కూడా చేయం దీన్ని మనం. ఈ కండిషన్ చెక్ కూడా చేయదు సిస్టమ్ అనేది. ఓకే. సో ఇఫ్ ద కండిషన్ ఇస్ బికమ్స్ ట్రూ, so there will be a chance to check this one. There will be a chance to check this one. If the condition becomes false now, this won't be checked. We won't check this one. Did you get it or not? That is called nested if. That is called nested else. That is called if else if. Okay, those are there is many names. Did you get the concept or not? You can write any number of if and else's. Did you get the concept or not? కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా? కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైతే థమ్స్అప్ ఇచ్చుకోండి, లేదంటే లేదు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Any number of statements inside if inside else you can write. If you got the idea, if you got the logic, you will be the coder. Viras, did you get it or not? That is called if else if. That is called nested if. That is called nested else. Guys, can I get some thumbs ups? మీకు అర్థమైతే థమ్స్ అప్ ఇవ్వండి. తెలుగులో చెప్పమంటే మళ్ళీ తెలుగులో చెప్తా. తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా, అర్థం కాకపోతే చెప్పండి, మళ్ళీ చెప్తా. Only three responses now. This is too much. This is too much. Only three responses. Three thumbs ups I got. I won't go further now. Give me the response. Give me the response, then only I will go. Because that if and else is a big concept. If you get it, that's easy. You can write any kind of program using that if and else. Any kind of coding you can write. Any kind of method you can write using the if and else. Okay. Okay. So coming to the next one, switch. Coming to the next one, switch. So what is switch, bro? What is switch? Coming to the next statement, what is the next statement? Switch. So the keyword that you have to use exactly is the switch only. Okay, switch. Don't confuse with other things. It is the same kind of selection statement only. It is the same kind of selection statement only. Don't confuse. Okay. So what is the use of switch, bro? Let me open my notepad. Yep. Switch statement. So the thing is where you have to use these statements that you have to get it. There will be a situation, guys. There will be a real time situation. Okay. So in that scenario, you have to analyze which statement I have to use. They won't ask you. They won't ask you to use if else switch. They won't ask you. In that scenario, in that real time situation, you have to analyze which statement I have to use. ఓకే. మీకు కొన్ని సందర్భాలు వస్తాయన్నమాట. సో, ఎగ్జామ్‌లో గాని అడగొచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా అడగొచ్చు. సో, అడిగి మీకు ఒక సినారియో, ఒక సిట్యుయేషన్ ఇస్తారు. రియల్ టైమ్ సిట్యుయేషన్. అప్పుడు మీరే అనలైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అక్కడ మనం ఎటువంటి అక్కడ మనం ఎటువంటి స్టేట్మెంట్‌ని వాడాలి అనేది. ఓకే. వాళ్ళు అడగరు మిమ్మల్ని ఇఫ్ వాడండి, ఎల్స్ వాడండి అని చెప్పి అడగరు. మీకంతటికి మీరే నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవాలి. అక్కడ ఇఫ్ వాడాలా? ఎల్స్ వాడాలా? దేర్ విల్ బి నో నెగెటివ్ మార్క్స్. నథింగ్. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇఫ్, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎల్స్, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఓవర్ దేర్. ఓకే. ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్. సో, కమింగ్ టు ద స్విచ్. Coming to the switch. So, you can choose the choice of which statement to execute by giving the sorry. It is similarly like if else only, okay, but conditions, some conditions will be there. Okay. Condition or choice. You can choose the case. We call it as case. Okay. Okay, so you can choose the case of which statement to get execute by giving the condition or the choice. ఓకే. సో, అంటే ఏంటి బ్రో అని మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒక కండిషన్ ఇస్తారన్నమాట. ఒక ఎక్స్‌ప్రెషన్, ఒక ట్రూ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ సిట్యుయేషన్ ఇస్తారు. ఓకే. అప్పుడు మీరు చూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ కేసెస్ ఉంటాయి. కేస్ 1, కేస్ 2, కేస్ 3. ఓకే. దేర్ విల్ బి డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ కేసెస్. ఇన్ దోస్ కేసెస్ యూ కెన్ చూజ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే. యూ కెన్ చూజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఎనీథింగ్. So let me write the syntax first, so you will get understand. So for the switch, use the keyword switch. You have to use the exact keyword switch. So here you have to give the choice. Choice you have to give. In the condition place now you have to give the choice. Okay, you can also give the condition as well. Condition means true or false. Okay, you have to use the switch keyword here. Okay, bro. Here you can give the choice, or you can mention the condition or the expression you can give. So then after, this is the syntax. Okay. Then after, open the braces, simple. You have to open the braces, right? Close the braces, simple. Here, you will mention the cases. Case, condition, one. Case, condition, one. So, statement. Uh, you are confusing, right? Let me write the thing first. Let me write it first, so I will tell you. So what you are doing, bro? Okay, so simple guys. Take the switch keyword and give the choice or the condition here. Choice or the condition. I will tell you what is choice, bro. What is condition? Okay, I will tell you. So open the braces, simple. Open the braces and close the braces. So in those things, you will give some cases. Okay, you will give some choices. Okay, so you can choose the choices over there. Okay, so if the condition, if the choice that you have given now, the condition or the choice that you have given now, so it will get this one will get executed. Might be this one will get executed, so the remaining things won't get executed. Okay, or else this one might get executed and the remaining things won't get executed. If the case 1 got executed now, the remaining things won't get executed. Okay, if the case 2 got executed now, the remaining things won't get executed. So if the case 1, if the case 2, case 3 not executed, the default one will get executed, the default statement you will give. Okay, these are called statements. Here you will write the statements. So I will tell you definition. So yeah, we have written the step. So if you mention the choice 1, simple. If you mention the choice 1, if you give the choice 1 in this place, if you give the value 1, okay, this one will get executed. Simple, remaining things won't get executed. If you give the choice 2, this one only executed, remaining things won't get executed, this one only will get executed. సో మీరు ఇక్కడ చాయిస్ 2 అనేది ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి, ఈ కేస్ 2 మాత్రమే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, మిగిలినవి ఏమీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వవు. ఓకే, అలాగే ఇక్కడ మీరు చాయిస్ 3 అని ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, 3 మాత్రమే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది, మిగిలినవి ఏమీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వవు. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ వోంట్ గివ్ ఎనీథింగ్, యూ హ్యావ్ నాట్ గివెన్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ నాట్ గివెన్ నథింగ్. ఓకే, దిస్ వన్ దిస్ వన్ విల్ గెట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఏమీ ఇవ్వలేదు అనుకోండి, చాయిస్ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు అనుకోండి, ఈ డిఫాల్ట్ వన్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. So you may got confused. Okay, let me tell you the example, so you will get so you will get the idea now. Okay, won't confuse, you will get the idea. Okay, so I am going through the program now, so you will get the idea. Don't you can't confuse. Okay, so so I have taken the class and the main method. Okay, braces I have taken. Okay, here I will take an not int now. Let me take the int only, integer value, and the variable name is month, and the value I want to give a value now. So I want to give the value 2, semicolon. So I have taken a variable month. The assigned value is 2. Okay, so what is the month of 2? What is the second month? What is the name of the second month? Just tell me. I know. What is the name of the second month in the year? Month 2. Matlab, what is month 2 means? Is it January, February? Yeah, February exactly. Okay, so I am taking the real time example now. Okay, so just see, it is simple. Okay, I have taken a variable, simple. Nothing I have done. Coming to the switch now, the keyword you have to use switch only. So here I want to mention the month. This is the variable, right? This is the variable, this is the choice I am giving. This is the variable, this is the choice I am giving, this is the condition I am giving. Okay, so open the braces, close the braces. I have opened the braces, I have closed the braces. Okay, so then for the case, for the case 1, you have to write exactly like this. Okay, system dot system dot out dot int ln double quotes Jan, January, like that. Semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon, guys. Okay. Oh, where it is? Let's see. Let me change it to 2. I will tell you what I am doing, and all I will tell you. Feb, Jan. Okay. Just three only I have taken. Okay. Three only I have taken. Okay. So I have taken a data type, guys. Sorry, I have taken a variable. The variable value is two. The month is two. Okay. So I have given the value here. I have given the choice two. Nothing but month means that I have given the nothing but I have given the two only. Okay. But I have taken in the form of month. Month is the variable. Okay. This is the choice. Okay. So what is the value? What is the choice I have given here? What is the choice I have given? The value is 2. So I have taken the choice 2. Okay. So case 2 will get executed, right? Case 2 will get executed. So in the case 2, what are the statements are there? In the case 2, what are the statements are there? That one only get executed. That one only get executed. Okay. Let me run. Let me run so you will get the more idea. See, what it is, what happened. Why March is going on? Why the March is coming? మార్చ్ ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? యా సారీ. I will tell you what is break exactly. Okay, when we are studying about this thing, what is break? I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you about break. Just forgot about the break now. Okay, so if the value, if I give the value one, this case will get executed. If I give the value two, this case will get executed. Okay, the values, the statements here now, these things will get executed. Okay, let me run again. So what is the output now? What is the output? The output is 2 only. So the output is February only. The output is Feb only. Okay. So how I got the value? Because I have given the choice 2 here. I have given the choice 2 here. Okay, I have given the choice 2 here. The condition is 2 now. That's so then only this thing will get executed and it is executed. So that's why I got the value Feb. Okay, what if I give the value 1? So the my choice is 1 now. My choice is 1 now. The output is January now. Yes. The output is January now. So did you get it? Did you get the switch or not? Okay. So we can mention the default as well. So what is default, bro? What is default, bro? If you guys haven't give anything, system dot out dot print ln. So if you guys not given any choice, not given any choice, then this default thing will get executed. Then this default thing will get executed. Simple now. We haven't give any choice here. We haven't give any choice here. Okay, we haven't it doesn't have given any choice, like 0 you have given. Okay, see, so the choice 0, 0 you have given. Is there any 0 choice? 1 2 3 only there now. 0 is not there, right? 0 choice is not there. That's why this one got executed. That's why this default thing has got executed. So if I give 4, the choice is 4 now. So there is no choice of 4, right? There is no case for 4, right? Yeah, there is no case for 4. That's why the default got executed. Okay. If you guys give the 3 now, the choice is 3 now. Run, execute. So what is the month? What is the choice? The thing is March. The case 3 will get executed. You have to write exactly like this way. Okay. So that's all about the selection statement, guys. That's all about the selection statements. So these are the selection statements we have. Okay. So we have discussed about if else, nested if else, if switch also we have discussed it. So is it clear about all these statements, all these selection statements? If it is clear now, give the feedback. How was the session? Give the feedback. How was the session? Not a thumbs up, not a thumbs up, just give the feedback. How was the session? How was the session statements discussion? సో మీకు అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా? థ్యాంక్ యూ ఉపేంద్ర. యా థ్యాంక్ యూ కిషోర్. ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ నా హనీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. So you use these things everywhere. In the pseudocodes also you will use these things. Everywhere you will use in the methods, in the functions also you will use these things. Very important. Good na Pawan, thank you. So we have the recorded session at any time. You can rewatch these things. Okay, keep learning. Thank you for the feedback.